Why do you say that, sir?
Because I can clearly see that you're nuts.
Do you have any idea why I pulled you over?
You smelled the donuts in the back seat?
What flavor? We'll talk about that in a moment, sir. Can I see your license and registration, please? What's your first name, sir?
First name is Peter.
Last name?
Parker.
Sir, I'm serving you with a ticket because you have failed to register for the Southern States Conference coming up in July. It's July 17th through the 19th in Nashville. There's an early bird special that is approaching on May 31st. You need to get on that right away.
Great. Another ticket.
Sign up before the weekend. Enjoy your ride.
Yeah, thanks.
And you get a ticket. 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 See you there.